Do you also reach for a bunch of antibiotics or those heavy cough syrups the moment you get a little cold or cough? Before doing that, at least take a look inside your kitchen. You may have stressed your health enough already, so give your body something gentler. Take 4 or 5 tulsi leaves, 2 to 4 black peppercorns, a bit of ginger juice, and a little honey. Crush everything into a smooth paste and take it once or twice a day. Within just 2 to 3 days, this brings noticeable relief, not only from cough but also from cold and congestion. Recognize the healing power of simple kitchen remedies. They've been helping for centuries. Write the word LUT and get my guide, Ayurvedic Home Remedies for Cough and Cold.